test starts in 30 seconds. Place yourself on the 20-meter line. When the test begins, run as long as possible at the standardized pace. Run in your lane, making sure you place your pivoting foot on or over the line. Pivot. Do not make wide turns. When you can no longer reach the line in time twice in a row, leave the testing area and remember the last number called out on the tape. Repeat it to yourself a few times so you don't forget it. Recover by walking for a few minutes. The test starts in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The test is underway.
The beep test for physical training. We have a professional trainer monitoring this group. And we'll show you 3 segments of this. Ideally, you don't do this on a hard court. You want to do it on a soft surface. It's a great fitness test.
Stage 1/2.
It's definitely a character builder. Like a tennis match, it actually creates drama to see who's standing at the end. Okay, another segment of the test. We'll show you 4 segments. So obviously we're losing players. Now remember, the directive is to keep walking afterwards.
Stage 7 1/2.
I do not let the players leave the area. They walk and they stay and they watch the finish. And it just creates respect. They get to see the older kids and the stronger athletes. So it sets a standard.
Stage 8.
So you can see that we're losing players. I want the players to look straight ahead. Arms just pump up and down. No excessive movement. Same as hitting tennis balls. I want the players to have efficient strokes. You also want them to have efficient running technique.
Stage 10.
A young girl in the front is only 11 years old.
Stage 10 1/2.
That was a great effort.
Stage 11.
And you want to document the results. And it's just a matter of athletes improving upon their personal best. Now we're just down to the last 2 athletes. It sounds like beep, beep. The longer you let it run, it sounds like the road runner.
Stage 12 1/2. stage 13.
Great effort. So that's the beep test.